Mint Mobile versus Verizon. Which one you should use in 2025? Let's look into the video. So, in terms of network and coverage, if you see, Mint Mobile operates on T-Mobile's network, so it offers extensive 5G coverage, especially in urban and suburban areas. Whereas Verizon, it's renowned for its superior 4G coverage and it's expanding its 5G network. It's making it a top choice for rural areas. Okay, and in terms of pricing and plans, I would say Mint Mobile offers budget-friendly prepaid plans with discounts for like 12 months commitments, whereas Verizon provides premium plans with perks like Disney Plus and Apple Music subscriptions, and it's a great option for family plans. Okay, so which one you can use, which one you should use? Well, I would say you can choose Mint Mobile if you seek affordable plans and are comfortable with the prepaid structure and primarily use your phone in urban and suburban areas with strong T-Mobile coverage. But you can choose Verizon if you require extensive rural coverage and prioritize network reliability. Okay, and you have additional perks like streaming services and international features available if you need that. You can use it. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you all in a new video. Thank you.